Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize the way you cook, specifically with steam and slow cooking. We're talking about the BUYDEEM G563, a 501 electric food steamer. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, it's just a steamer, but believe me, this unit aims to be much more. Let's unpack its capabilities. Right off the bat, the BUYDEEM G563 is marketed as a multifunctional powerhouse. It's not just for steaming vegetables. The company states you can use it to steam food, slow cook, make yogurt, defrost food, and even prepare baby food, all with a simple touch of its control panel. This kind of versatility is incredibly appealing for those looking to declutter their kitchen or simplify their cooking process. It also comes with built-in preset functions and anti-dry burn protection, which are crucial safety and convenience features for any modern appliance. Performance is a key factor, and the BUYDEEM G563 boasts a powerful 1500W heating element. This translates to rapid steam generation, with the claim of producing steam in just 60 seconds. For busy households, this means getting dinner on the table faster. The excellent sealing mechanism is also highlighted, creating a micro-pressurized environment. This is where the magic of steaming truly happens, locking in moisture and nutrients, and theoretically cooking food more efficiently. We'll be testing how well this sealing actually holds up and its impact on cooking times and food quality. When it comes to size, the BUYDEEM G563 is designed to be compact. It occupies roughly the footprint of an A4 sheet of paper on your countertop, which is a significant plus for smaller kitchens. However, the real flexibility comes with its two-tier system. You can stack the steamer racks to create a much larger and taller cooking area. The company specifically mentions you can steam a whole fish or a whole chicken without needing to cut them up, which is a fantastic claim for anyone who entertains or cooks for a larger family. This modular design allows you to adapt the capacity to your needs. One of the most intriguing features of this steamer is its special slow cook mode. This isn't something you find on many traditional steamers. To facilitate this, the BUYDEEM G563 comes with two glass stew pots. These pots are designed for making a variety of dishes, from comforting soups and hearty porridges to delicate bird's nest soup and even homemade yogurt. This dual functionality, the ability to steam and slow cook within the same appliance, is what truly sets it apart and offers a compelling reason to consider it over simpler steamers. Material quality is often an indicator of durability and safety, and BUYDEEM emphasizes its use of superior materials. The main body of the steamer is made from food-grade stainless steel, which is excellent for hygiene and longevity. Crucially, any plastic parts that come into direct contact with food are stated to be BPA-free, addressing a common consumer concern. The heating chassis, the part that directly heats the water, is made from an even higher grade 316 stainless steel. This material is known for its corrosion resistance and stability, which should contribute to consistent performance and a longer lifespan for the appliance. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The standout pros are undoubtedly its multifunctionality, offering steaming, slow cooking, yogurt making, and more. The rapid steam generation and the two-tier design for increased capacity are also major advantages. The inclusion of glass stew pots for slow cooking and the use of high-quality, food-grade materials, including BPA-free plastics and 316 stainless steel, are significant selling points for both convenience and health-conscious consumers. Its compact footprint is also a big win for smaller kitchens. However, there are a few potential cons to consider. While the versatility is a pro, mastering all these different functions might have a slight learning curve for some users, especially those new to slow cooking or yogurt making. The 10-quart capacity, while generous with two tiers, might still be limiting for extremely large meals or for commercial use. We also need to consider the long-term durability of the seals and the heating element, which can only be truly assessed over time and with extended use. The price point, while not explicitly given here, will also be a factor for many consumers, as multifunctional appliances often come at a premium. In conclusion, the BUYDEEM G563, a 501 electric food steamer is an ambitious appliance that aims to be much more than just a steamer. Its promise of multiple cooking functions, from rapid steaming to slow cooking and even yogurt preparation, all within a compact and well-constructed unit, makes it a very attractive option for home cooks looking for efficiency and versatility. The premium materials and safety features are reassuring. If you're seeking to streamline your kitchen and expand your cooking repertoire with healthy and convenient methods, this BUYDEEM steamer is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.